Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 1.4 last question, question number 7. First of all, let's write question number 7. Question number 7 is an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350? First of all, let us write a question. An elevator descends. An elevator descends. An elevator descends into a mine shaft. Into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. At the rate of 6 meter per minute. Got it? This is the lift which goes down 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from, if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, 10 meter above the ground level, okay, this is our question. Now, how long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Minus 3. First of all, let us understand the question. What question wants to say? Question wants to say that there is one lift. Lift means elevator. That lift goes downwards in the mine, as you may have seen that petrol mine, and you have seen that Bharat movie of that Salman Khan. I hope you have seen that Salman Khan and that Mashhoor Gulati, Sunil Grover. Yeah, they go under the mine, oil factory. So similarly here, this elevator descends into a mine. Descends means goes down into the mine at the rate of 6 meter per minute. In 1 minute they go 6 meter down. In 1 minute they go 6 meter down. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground, means here there is a ground, you just suppose this is your ground, okay, and 10 meter above the ground is there. Here is your lift, okay, this is your elevator. Got it? So as the elevator starts from 10 meter above the ground, how long will it take to reach minus 350? Suppose this is your minus 350 meter. Okay. Now question is, it moves at the rate of, means it goes down at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Means in 1 minute they go 6 meter down. Got it? What is the question? Have you got it or not? Our question is, there is one elevator, means lift, which goes down at the rate of 6 meter per minute. That lift is right now at the situation of 10 meter above the ground. How long will it take time to go at minus 350 meters? I hope all of you understand the question. Now, first of all, distance will be always in the negative integer because it goes down, right? So now, what you will do? First of all, we have to find the total distance, right? So total distance, how much it will be? Total distance is equal to 350 meter and 10 meter, that is equal to 360 meter. Now you will say, sir, why you have written here plus 350, right? Because I have already explained you in the previous videos that distance can never be in negative. Since this is our integer chapter, so that's why we have to consider. As we go down, so it will be negative. As we go up, it will be in positive. So this is your plus 10 meter and this is your minus 350 meter. Minus 350 plus 10. So total distance will be 360 meter. Got it? And the speed of elevator is equal to 6 meter per minute. Means in 1 minute they go 6 meter down. Speed of descends at descends at 6 meter per minute. Okay, so now question is how long will it take to reach? So total distance is equal to 360. In 1 minute they travel 6 meter. So now question is how long will it take? So time taken by the elevator to descend, time taken by the elevator to descends means going down 360 meter is equal to 360 meter by 6 meter per minute. So minute will come up. So now meter cancel, 6 6 are 60 minute. So how much minute it will be? 60 minutes. 60 minute means 1 hour, right? So question was what? How long will it take to reach minus 300? It will take 60 minutes, or that is also known as 1 hour. Okay? 60 minutes or 1 hour to reach minus 350 minutes. To reach minus 350 minutes. Have you understood the question? Hope all of you have understand the question. Actually, this question was saying that only that there is one lift which is 10 meter above the ground. It takes 6 meter per minute to go down. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? As I have informed you about the total distance, speed of elevator. After getting the knowledge of speed of elevator, what we have to do? We have to just count the time. How much or how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? I hope all of you have understood. Same question, but I will change the digit. Same question, nothing else. Here, the speed will be 3 meter. First of all, you can take a screenshot. This is the answer of this question. So you can take a screenshot or you can write in your notebook. And after that, I am giving you the same question with the different digits. Got it? I hope all of you have taken the screenshot. Now let's go ahead. Now I am talking about the same question but with different digits. Can you tell anyone how we will solve this question? See. Same question. Okay. No other thing. I am just giving you 3 meter per minute and same question minus 350 meter. See. Question is an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 3 meter per minute. Instead of 6 meter, I have just given you 3 meter. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach 350 meter? Yes. Now you have to just tell me. Here the speed will be just decreased. Instead of 6 meter, it will be 3 meter per minute. See what I have to do. We have to just understand how long it will take. Total distance is equal to 350 meter plus 10 meter is equal to 360 meter. Speed of the elevator descends at the rate of 3 meter per minute, right? So time taken by the elevator to descend 360 meter is equal to 360 meter upon 3 meter per minute, right? Meter cancel. 12 3 is 360. So 120 minute. 120 minute means 2 hours, right? So here it will take 120 minute or 2 hours. 120 minute or 2 hours to reach minus 350. Got it? I will give you same type of questions in your homework. So if you have doubt related this type of question, means when an elevator descends. So if it goes up, I can give you the up one. So what you have to do, instead of minus 350, you have to take upper. Just suppose, I'm just giving you a question to suppose, okay? This is your building, which wherever you live, your flat is at on the 15th floor. 15th floor. Each floor length is 10 meter. Each floor length is 10 meter. And the elevator is on the ground floor. Elevator is on the ground floor. The length of elevator is also 10 meter. Got it? Each floor length 10 meters. You are living on the 15th floor. The elevator is on the ground floor. The speed of elevator is 10 meter per minute. 10 meter per minute. Now, how much time it will take to reach at your floor, means at 15th floor? Can you just suppose this question? Total distance, first of all, you have to calculate the total distance. As I had given you the question, just suppose the question here. This is 15th floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just suppose this is your apartment in which 15th floor is there and your house is at 15th floor only. The speed of elevator is 10 meter per minute. Each floor length is 10. First of all, total distance till the 15th floor. Ground floor, first floor, total how many floors will be there? From the ground floor to 15, ground 1 and plus 15, total 16 floor. So the distance will be how much? Distance will be 150 plus 10 is equal to 160 meter. How much? 160 meter. Speed of the elevator is equal to 10 meter per minute. Time taken, time is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon speed is equal to distance upon time, right? So now here time, what will be the time to reach 15th floor? You have to just write the questions, what it will be, how much time it will give. So total distance upon speed, you can see distance is total 160 meter and speed is 10 meter per minute. 10 meter per minute. So meter cancel. 16, 10, 160. So it will take 16 minutes. How many? 16 minutes. Generally also I can say you, if I talk about the ground level, so it will take here 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till the 15th floor plus total 15 floor plus 1 ground floor, 16 floor. In one floor it reached in the 10 minutes. So ground floor to the 15th floor it will take how much? 16 minutes. I hope all of you have understood about these questions. If you have any doubt related this 7th question, as I have informed you, I have changed the digit. Instead of 6 meter, I have written here 3 meter. So same type of questions I am going to give you in homework also. So try to understand what I want to say. After understanding the question, please write in your notebook. Just suppose some digit in your mind and try to solve this type of question. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so your friends can also get knowledge. That's all for today. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot.